Curry Motor Speedway, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. It was a wonderful journey for us, and the team effort did pay off at the event, since we secured having the best powertrain in the event, and we did secure first place in engineering design and second in business plan. The team had a lot of setbacks with respect to powertrain. I remember just like a month before the competition, we had an issue with our engine. So we had to literally rip apart the whole car, rip apart the engine, have it overhauled, and then uh, reassemble the whole thing again. It was one of the most tiring obstacles that we had through the journey, and these were just few. This was the biggest that we had, and also there were other setbacks too that we had with respect to technical issues and everything, and then the lockdowns and the college being shut off due to the pandemic. But but no matter how many obstacles that we faced, the team never lost its spirits. It had set the goal of giving it best, and giving it our best foot, and going strong at the event, which we did. And it was a wonderful journey. Like no matter what difficulties we all went through the journey, every single team member just never forgot what the goal that we set was. And the pandemic did show us, like, if you have if you're determined on what you have to achieve, the no matter what pandemic or lockdown is going to happen, nothing can stop you from achieving your goals and aspirations. And this was clearly seen in our success at Formula Bharat. It was one of the best experiences that I've had in my 4 years of engineering.
Hi, my name is Dhruv Gupta and I am the team captain of Ashwa Racing. Ashwa Racing is a Formula student team from RV College of Engineering, Bangalore, that conceptualizes, designs and builds Formula type race cars and participates in multiple competitions around the world. Recently we had participated in a competition called Formula Bharat, which took place on Curry Motor Speedway in Coimbatore. This was towards the end of January 2022. The objective of this competition is to basically make students from the college level actually design a race car from scratch, and it's an engineering design competition. It judges the overall capabilities of students, saying that do they have the technical expertise to build a car, and do they also have the managerial skills required to actually function in such a large team and be able to raise all the funds and to be able to manage a team and get a race car to the competition. The competition has a diverse range of events in it, be it the static events like the cost event, engineering design event, and the business plan event, as well as dynamic events like dynamic on-track events like acceleration, autocross, skid pad, and endurance. Our team has been preparing for this competition for the last 1 year, and we're very proud of the way that our team has performed at this competition. Even though sort of during the preparation of this competition we faced the second wave of COVID and even the third wave of COVID, our team still had the motivation to continue carrying on and wanted to see our project to the end. Even though some of our teammates were down with COVID during the third wave, that is right before the competition, the team still stuck through and was able to get the car ready and take it to the competition, and we performed pretty well in the competition, and that was a really nice thing for our whole team. Some features of our car that we had incorporated this year was that we built the whole car from scratch. Every single component on the car is designed, simulated, then built, assembled, tested on the car in-house. And some improvements that we made on the car this year that were better than last year was that we focused a lot on the efficiency of the car and the reliability of the car. We were able to design engine maps in-house, and we were able to continuously test them and test their performance and keep improving them iteratively through our testing sessions and ultimately to the competition. We currently have Ashwa Racing as a whole, or I would say Ashwa Mobility. Ashwa Racing is a part of Ashwa Mobility, and Ashwa Mobility currently has about 150 undergraduate students working in it. And the team that participated in the competition was a team of 18 fourth-year undergraduate students.